Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new gaming video. Today we're going to be playing Bloody Ragdoll Engine, but I turned off the blood because a family friendly channel. So yeah, I didn't want to show that. But yeah, I don't have no video idea. I don't know what to play on Roblox anymore, so I'm just going to play this game. I have bomb, I have a push tool, and I have cheese. And I also have a sausage. Not a sausage. Yeah, we got a sausage. For now, we're just gonna look what people do in this game. That guy has his arm ready, bro. He's ready to fight. He's ready to fight whoever comes in his way. Like that guy right there, Spider City. Is he gonna beat him up? Nope, he ran away. What is that? It's a cat. Ow. That was fun. Cat. It's a little cat. Cat. Someone's placing a bomb. And that guy went.
Sometimes I dream about.
Gee! Wait, free buck? Just told. If I. How do I get the free buck? I want free buck. We got the. That's the creator of the game. This little cheese. Well, free buck. Free buck. Keep playing the game or get free buck. Free buck. Game. Free buck. Game. Free buck. Game. Free buck. Game. The king is still dead. No, king. Oh, he got back up. Yay, he's alive. And he will continue to rule the world until we all die. Until he dies. Whatever goes. Okay, fall. He was right there. Default. I gotta go to default now. He was literally right there. No, where is he? Default. Default. Where did he go? Mountain? Pipe ball? Roof? Oh my god, someone just jumped! Spiral stairs? Oh my god, it's ice show speed! Is it really ice show speed? Oh my god, guys, I'm playing with ice show speed! Oh my god, hey, come here, ice show speed! I'm a big fan! Ice show speed, ice show speed! No. Don't worry, I'll save you! Oh god, help! Ah! I got him. I got my revengeance. And then I fell down by accident. Ah!